In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to build an app on your phone in seconds. Open your mobile browser and head to replit.com. This platform lets you build and run apps right from your phone, so you don't need a laptop. Once the page loads, look for the chat box. This is where you'll describe the app you want. Type a clear prompt in plain English. For example, explain what your app should do, who it's for, and any must-have features or a simple theme you prefer. The more specific your prompt, the better your starting point will be. Just below the chat, you'll see options to choose the platform. Select the one that fits your goal. If you want a simple app that runs in the browser, choose a web app, then tap Start. Replit will generate a project based on your prompt and set up the files automatically. When your project is ready, go inside the workspace. You'll see the File Explorer, the code editor, and a preview pane. On a phone, the layout may be stacked, so scroll as needed to view everything comfortably. Use the Run or Preview button to load your app and test it. Interact with it like a user would. If something looks off, make a quick note so you can fix it in a moment. When you're happy with how it looks, you can publish it. Tap Publish to start the process. Keep in mind that publishing a web app on this platform requires at least a core plan. If you see an upgrade prompt, that's expected. Without the plan, you can still develop, preview, and refine your app. Publishing simply puts it live for others in a more official way. If you want to make changes, use the chatbot on the left panel. Ask for specific edits like updating text, changing colors, or adding a button. The chatbot will modify the project and you can immediately preview the result. Make adjustments in small steps and test after each change so you know exactly what improved. When you're ready to collaborate, tap Invite, share your project with teammates so they can view or help edit in real time. This is great for quick feedback or dividing tasks, and you can decide who gets editing access. And that's it. From idea to a working app on your phone, all in a few minutes. Keep refining your prompt, preview often, and use the chat-assisted edits to iterate quickly. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.